Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is the first video lecture of class 7th Geography. Chapter number 1, Physical State of the Earth. And today's topic is composition of Earth's interior and plate tectonics. The distance between the surface of the Earth and its center, means core, is more than 6,000 kilometers. To know about the internal structure of the Earth, human beings take help from seismic earthquake waves and the magnetic and gravitational forces of the Earth. Now, the Earth is divided into three important parts. Let us discuss them. This is our Earth, and the Earth is divided into three important parts. These are crust. This layer is crust. Then mantle, outer core and inner core. First we discuss about crust. The surface of the Earth that consists of water and dry land. Its thickness is not uniform. The uppermost and less thick sphere is known as crust. Its thickness is between 8 to 40 kilometers. 8 to 40 kilometers. The upper part is known as continental crust and the lower part is known as oceanic crust. Mantle, the middle layer, this is the middle layer below the crust. It consists of two layers. Upper mantle is 670 kilometers thick. In this layer, most of the rocks are in molten state. Below the upper mantle is lower mantle, which is hard and solid. Its thickness is 2230 kilometers. 2230 kilometers. Inner core and outer core. These are core, internal part. The sphere present under mantle is called core. After the mantle, the sphere is called core. It also consists of two parts, external and internal. External core is in liquid form below the mantle. It is mostly consists of molten rocks and its thickness is 2250 kilometers. Internal core. The inner core is made of nickel and iron. It is also known as knife just because of two letters, nickel and ferrous. The internal core is solid. It is heaviest among all spheres and its thickness is about 1220 kilometers, means 1220 kilometers. Now we discuss about plate tectonics. The plate tectonics, it is reality that all the existing continents were once in the form of a single mass. Then they divided into 7 continents due to continental movements. Lithosphere is divided into 7 moving parts called as plates. These big plates crust are falling. First one is Pacific Ocean plate. The second one is North American plate. Third one is South American plate. Fourth, Eurasian plate. And fifth, African plate. Sixth, Australian plate. And seventh, Antarctica plate. These are the 7 plates of plate tectonics. Hope you all understand my lecture well. Stay home. Allah Hafiz.